Hey friends, welcome to another electricity based GyanLab tutorial, and today we are going to do something very interesting. I'm sure you must have all heard of it. We're going to learn the concept of short circuit. Now, short circuit is always termed as a bad concept in electricity, and it leads to a lot of electrical wastage. So we're going to do a simple activity which is going to help us understand as to why is it so. So what we need today for our activity is again a simple bulb with a bulb holder, a battery holder, two batteries along with that, one piece of connecting wire, and a screwdriver. So to simply begin, we are just going to make a simple electrical circuit as we have already made earlier, and for that I'm just going to connect the two ends of the battery holder to the bulb holder. So I have connected the bulb holder to the battery holder, and I'm going to quickly affix the batteries and let the simple circuit work. See, it's glowing. Now what I'll do is I'll connect this connecting wire between the two ends of the battery holder. You see, the bulb is not glowing. The moment I remove it, it again starts glowing. The moment I connect it back, the two ends of the connecting wire, it stops glowing. So this is short circuit. What is happening at this point of time, I'll quickly remove this off so that we do not waste a lot of battery. So what is happening in this case is the moment I connect this connecting wire, it, since electricity has a property that it takes the path of least resistance. So in the case of connecting a wire, it does not have to go through the bulb, as in the so it's basically I have a path here between the connecting wires, and I have a path for the current to travel through the bulb. So what happens is the bulb provides resistance to flow of electricity, while the one through the connecting wire does not. Hence electricity has a tendency to flow through the connecting wire. And what happens in the process is, while you do this activity, you'll see that the ends of the connecting wire heat up rapidly, and the batteries would also discharge very very quickly if they stay in that state for very long. Hence short circuit is a very undesirable phenomena and is normally avoided in order to, so that we do not waste any amount of electricity. So I hope you understood the concept very well, and you will try this activity at home to understand how short circuit actually works. Thank you.